Do you not get the concept?
Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's graduation day.
Hello, it's Jamie.
It's the graduate. So we're finally ready. My lips are dry. I put on some lip gloss. We're heading out to Jameer's graduation. And before we even go any further, go on ahead and wish him a happy graduation day down in the comments. And we're gonna do a little throwback to show y'all how we got here, what we did to prep and stuff. And then we'll catch up a little bit later. Say bye to me.
Bye. Me fun.
Hey guys, it's Shanice of Graduations Past, and as you can tell, we're a little bit back, like a couple days prior to our big day. Well, not our big day, oh my goodness, it's Jameer's big day. So I don't know if you guys can tell, we are so excited because my pumpkin is finally graduating from kindergarten. He's off to prep school come September, and you can't tell me nothing. They're big boys I have right now. So we are currently on the road and we're doing a little prep. Today I plan to get some hair because as you can see in the last vlog, a girl is confused. I don't know what to do with my hair. So today we're going to the hair store to see if we can get something done to our hair. Well, I'm not doing my hair today, but I'm buying the hair today. Probably do the hair tomorrow, we'll see. Also, Javi needs a shirt because as you know, he's in this weird stage where like nothing fits him, or you would buy something for him and like a couple weeks later it can't fit. I don't know, he's going through a growth spurt. I honestly don't know, but we need something for Javi. And last on the list, oh, is a drop off. And what else? That's it, just 3 things. We could have swear we could have done more than that. But yeah guys, the preparation is on and I'm just looking forward to graduation day. Hopefully future Shanice is sorted out. Hopefully my hair look good. Outfit, I don't even know what I'm wearing, and to be honest, I remember last year's graduation, as is Javi's graduation, I kind of made a conscious effort to like give myself some grace when it comes to like big moments for other people. Like stop making it all about me. Like I know the world revolves around a girl, but sometimes I just need to take a little step back and just learn to celebrate others without putting unnecessary pressure on myself. So for example, graduation was coming up, I had to be running up and down to like get an outfit, hair, nails, like the works, when really and truly that just caused my anxiety to skyrocket. As I said, that's unnecessary pressure, unnecessary spending. And in hindsight, like the day went well, but I mean it's not about me, it's about him. And so this year around, I've learned my lesson. I could care less what I look like. Well, not really, but I don't plan to go all out. I mean, it's just for one day, and as I said, it's not my graduation, and I want to ensure that he has the best day ever. I have a little surprise on the way. Hopefully my shipping company gets it here in time, but we have a little graduation gift for him. So as I said, the day is just all about him, and the girl is just learning to go with the flow and don't stress unnecessarily. So yeah, we have an hour to get all we need done before we can go and grab the kiddies. Well, one kid, so let's see if we can do that and come back. These are the shirts. The red one looks nice. Looking something not too loud. This one also looks nice. I have some more over here, but these are like long sleeves. I don't want any long sleeves. These are the colors that they have. I like this blue and the black. Guys, I found 2 shirts. I got a black and a blue. But you know I can't come shopping and I don't fatten my eyes. Somebody here look around. Thank you. Guys, we are back and we've got a whole bunch of goodness. first off, I stopped and got like some fruits. I got like melon and guinea. I don't like how the melon here look, you know. This is supposed to be 3 pounds of melon, but I feel like the man teeth me because half of the melon is not even melon. I don't know what this is. Also got some guinea. And this is not really sweet, but it's not really sour. They made me taste it before I bought it, and it was pretty okay. And I like when it's kind of like on the turn side. I like everything turned, but it's not falling off the seed, but it's not overly green, if you get me. It's like in between. Perfect. So like some young ladies were stopping by and like they were purchasing the guinea. So the lady's like, you know, you can taste and buy, but I was like in the process of tasting. So they're like, no ma, we'll trust her judgment. So I ended up being the scapegoat and I had to taste the guinea and tell her that it was busting. Also got some shirts. 2 shirts, as you guys saw. So I'm for a eat the guinea here before I go down my throat. Alright, let's go. I got 2 shirts for the boys. One in this navy blue and another in black. Oh, I also get pineapples, guys. I got this little cute pineapples because you know I'm a pineapple girl, you know. I feel like every day I'm a change like interests, and I'm like all of a sudden into juicing. I don't think I've ever juiced on my YouTube channel before, but if you're interested in that type of content, head on over to my TikTok at Shanice Jodian and check out my juicing journey. I juice a bag of things over there. Any fruit I can get my hands on, I'm juicing. Also stopped to get some brown paper. As you guys know, I do make swimwear, cover up, stuff like that. I'm a fashion designer at heart, or that's my current bread and butter. So I use brown paper for like patterns and stuff. So I got some more of that because I have some new patterns and some new designs that I want to work on. And last but not least, I got this Brazilian Virgin Remy here, and I think this is gonna come in handy for the hairstyle I have in mind, people. I'm afraid, but I saw Tavian do this like Fulani type braid. Is that the Jada Wady? I'm stressed out. So I saw Tav do like the whole Fulani Jada Wada revamp hairstyle. So she used like curly hair at the back, and then you know you put some cornrows in the front. But yeah, your girl has been influenced, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get that done. So wish me luck. So yeah, let's go. We've basically achieved everything that we set out to do today, so that's a plus.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last?
So guys, it is the next day and I literally just pulled up to my hair appointment. Listen, the chaos that took place between yesterday and today. So as you saw, I would have went to the hair store and purchased this like really kinky curly hair. I purchased the hair, but I wasn't in a rush or anything, but I feel like I wasn't paying attention to the description. It said 12-inch, but that was given 12-inch. It was given 8 inches. So when I got home and I was looking at it, I was like, there's no way that this hair is gonna work. The wefts are so thin, like even when you unravel it, like that can probably do like 2 rows, and even though it was like at the back of my head, it would not give the fullness that I want. I don't think it would have covered my head, so I had to scrap that hairstyle completely. I had these bundles that I got from, I think it's RP Show. I'm trying to remember the vendor that sent me these bundles, but I'll confirm and put it on the screen. So they sent me these bundles like way back, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a traditional sewing. Not that I really wanted to, but at this point in time I feel like I don't have an option. I was considering the traditional sewing, but I really didn't want to go ahead and do it, but I had to. So I scheduled an appointment for 12 o'clock. It is now 11:47, so I am a little bit early. So I'm just gonna basically process like my edges and do a little leave out. I've done processing of my leave out before. Yes, it got damaged, but it grew back, it grew out. We're here today, so mega risk it again. And to be honest, I have been contemplating just processing my whole head because I am natural right now. As you guys can see, I was combed it out so it's a little bit more manageable for the hairdresser, and I put it in 2 big fat granny cane on the back and drop on a hat. So we're gonna run up now. I wanted to give her a little time. I don't know what her schedule is like, but she told me 12, but I'm gonna run up now and see what to do. So yeah guys, come along, let's go get our hair done because it's long overdue, right? Long overdue. So guys, we have processed the leave out and the edges, so we're just waiting on this to fully simmer.
That's right. That's right. Only shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success.
So guys, I am done with my hair. Do you like new hair? Who this? So I just finished up with my traditional sewing. It is now 2:26. I came here at a couple minutes to 12, but she started at 12 because she was finishing up something. So it took 2.5 hours, which is not bad at all, and I'm absolutely loving it. Let me know what you guys think. I did ask her to like pin it up for me because, as you guys know, I'm not going anywhere today, so I didn't let her like pull out the curls and like style it, which she was okay with, and she even gave me her pins, guys. She's such a sweetheart. You can go on ahead and check her out. Her name is Day hairstylist. I'll put it down below. Yeah, she was such a sweetheart. I love the customer service, and the girl is talented because you can't tell me that I'm not wearing a wig. Just go on ahead and check her out if you're ever in the Spanish Town area and you're looking a bomb hairstylist to do like a traditional sewings. And she does so much more. Like, she does offer other services. As I said, I'll put her Instagram, you can check her out. Quick little stop to grab something at the, where am I, hardware. But I'm here starving because I've been sitting for 2 hours. So I ate before I went into my appointment, but the dirt on the bottom. I snuck out the boys' Pringles and their sizzle, of course, because I'm a big kid too. I'm up and eat this, and then I'm heading into the hardware. I am looking this extendable rod. I want it for like a little backdrop that I'm creating, like some curtains and thing, but I don't want to drill any holes in the walls. So right in my sewing space / creative space right there, I want to put like a curtain, but I don't want to put up curtain rods, if you get me. So there's this big entrance or entryway that I'm trying to get like the extendable rod to just, you know, fit in that little slot there without doing much damage, because it's temporary. I wouldn't want to drill holes and stuff, even though that can be fixed with putty, but banana all of that. So I am running in the hardware. Hopefully we can find the rod, but like the girl is on 0. Let me go home and cook because you know, so we'll stop eat on the road during the week, right? Sticking to my guns, right? No fast food, only on Fridays. So yeah, let's go. The hardware are looking, I mean, the hardware stocks so many nice things that you would even think was at a hardware. So yeah, like they have blenders at a hardware, but these are cute. That's me how we're reaching at the kitchen section. I don't know, that's a nice stuff. Water pump, you name it. But yeah, let me go ask for some assistance because I don't know where anything is in this place. Seeing the regular rods, they have so many different types. We have something like that. Something like this is what I'm looking for, but in a bar format. I'm not seeing that. So from what?
41 to 76.
Oh, this looks like it could work. But this is black?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Where you coming from?
Only shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To prove it that this is my shot.
You okay? Tell people hi. Y'all are crooked. Hi guys, so it's the next day and we are 1 day away from Jamir's graduation. Are you excited? Listen to me. Stop, please close.
I'm just sleeping.
You're not sleeping. So Jamir, are you excited for graduation?
I was just reading something, yes.
Yes?
I was just reading something in my mind over there.
What does it say?
Jesus
Christ.
Christ is Lord over this complex.
Good. Jesus Christ is Lord over this complex. Do you believe that Jesus Christ is Lord? Okay. So guys, we are out on the road today and we have so much to do in preparations for tomorrow. So the first thing on the agenda is to pick up our packages, and as I mentioned, there's a secret surprise in there for Jamir. I got him something nice. Then we try to bring him go to the barber, forget a proper lineup, because the barber when them bring him go never line him up properly, and I don't like that, right? But only because Jamir was misbehaving.
Good.
Misbehaving, well, good. You're misbehaving. So the barber just do a thing and say, get out, right? But now I try to find a barber shop. Also, we need to go to the pharmacy because his left eye is a little bit swollen. So I'm trying to get some antihistamine, probably some drops and stuff, because I don't know why all of these things are happening when tomorrow is your big day, Jamir. Right? Nothing's going right. But we still move on and we still give thanks, right? So come along with us, guys. Let's go grab the packages first.
Okay, what's wrong?
We don't know the shipping company
What's wrong?
as of late. So let's go.
That thing, Mommy, that was breaking the law.
I think so too.
I'm so satisfied going up to here. There's
I think I have like 7 packages to go. I have a seat. If you can help me. Jamir, you're helping me to bring all those packages. Do you see them? Look. Can you bring them?
yeah, I can hold 2.
You can hold 2?
Yeah, but I'm too short to grab them.
Soon get them. Show us your skibbity dance.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm off dirty for brush off your butts.
I'm down too much. Okay. What is in there? You bought
Check out that big one. Take it out the Jamir.
Who likes the cat without a wall?
No talking, no talking.
I don't finish your work as yet, but you just giving me 2 stars.
Exactly, that's one. Literally made me look like
Yes, the last one watching here. Say last one make him look like this. So that's why I have to go get it fixed. So you gave that one a 1.
So this look better, but yeah, give me 2 stars. Eh? No.
maybe a 5 star.
No.
Don't move, baby, don't move.
Give me 5 stars.
Give me 5. Give me a shower.
Wow! Food is looking much better now. What do you say?
Probably 7
7
stars.
star. Wow! So you move from a 2 to a 7. I love it. Jamir, go to the counter. We need to talk to our pharmacist. Hi, afternoon. I have this young man with a little swelling on his eye here. What would you recommend for that?
I wonder if
Take up one of those blue ones. Yeah.
okay.
Not though. But just okay.
98 for $1,000. Well, how do you have $1,000?
Get that stuff.
How do you have $2,000 actually?
Thank you.
How do you have $5 million?
You give us 5 million.
Mom, you could have went over there. It's like some more cash. It's like some easy cash.
What are you saying?
I'm fat faster than Usain Bolt.
You wish you were.
No, I am.
So guys, we just got done at the pharmacy. Where's the medicine? So we got some DPH. This is the itch and allergy for his eye. They said just use like a warm compress to help get the swelling down and then give him the antihistamine. So hopefully that works. We also got our packages. We also got him the lineup, and now we're gonna head to drop off this gorgeous dress that we have with us here. It's a little it's a little graduation dress.
I was wondering what this dress was here for.
Yeah, it's a graduation dress.
For who?
For Sage. She's graduating this weekend too.
No.
This is the second dress I'm making for her. I made her birthday dress like a couple months back. It was this orange tutu dress, and guys, I am in love with kiddies dresses nowadays, like especially little fairy type ones. You can also see more at Club Couture _exquisite on Instagram if you're interested in any sort of, you know, special occasion where, you know, hit a girl up. I got you. So we are heading to drop this off now, and then we should be heading home. So yeah, tomorrow is the big day. Can't wait. We're gonna pick up back tomorrow, or we're gonna basically throw back to the future or throw forward to the future. I don't even know, but we're just gonna go back to where this all began, which is graduation day. So it was lovely taking you guys along this little throwback journey of preparing for the big day. So hope you guys enjoy, and if you've made it thus far into the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you in advance, and I'll see you when I see ya. Okay, tell them later, Jamir. Drinking off my water.
Later, subscribe and like and comment. And guess and comment below who's the better person. My dad, who never appeared, or Zori's friend. I mean Zori's brother, or Zori, or me, or my brother, or mommy.
Good.
And you can guess Zori's mom.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Not the dad who never appears. Your father has been on this channel.
I never.
You need to watch the videos. Daddy has been on this channel. a little bit too high. But we're all done with graduation and we are just making a quick little stop to get something to eat because we are starving. Jamie got some fruit, so he's having his fruit, so I'm going to get them some patties and stuff.
I don't want the apples.
Don't want the apples, give them to Javi. So yeah, it was a good little sermon. It was very long though. Could have been cut shorter, but you know, that's fine. We got to see Jamir sing and dance and do his thing. And we're also proud of him, right Jamir? So off to big boy school you go. So how's your graduation day, Jamir?
Good.
What you enjoyed most about it?
Always sings.
Singing, but I didn't see you singing.
You were not singing because it's too far.
You're too far, but I got you on camera though. You're just dancing.
You were just like doing this.
Yeah, you waving your hands and you're
Yeah,
singing.
that what they said to do.
Oh, but you had fun though.
But you were not waving like.
It's alright. We are on the car again. Thank you.
Okay, mommy.
Hey.
Hello.
Alright, so you're gonna lift up the balloon to reveal the prize. No, lift up the balloon.
I want the confetti.
Lift it up. See, lift it up.
I need to find the
Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
I love the volume. I get more confetti. And another bar.
You like it?
Yeah. A lot of money.
How much money do you think that is?
Probably like 1 million.
Yeah.